Okay, so today we're going to be showing you our science fair experiment. We are testing some snowmobiles. Which one has better gas mileage and oil mileage? And what affects the usage of both oil and gas?
So this was the 2012 XRS 800R E-Tech. So this is going to be the newer snowmobile that we're testing, and this is the 2002 Arctic Cat 600 EFI. So they're both fuel injected. So they're different brands and different motors, but we just want to see how much have changed over the course of 10 years.
Yeah, and then we are going to fill up both oil, and then the gas is already filled up. So then after we fill the oil, then we're in a trail ride for about 20-30 miles, and then check where the oil is at, and then check where the gas is at and how much is used. So if it burns more gas or oil, then we will record that, and then this, like, say this one has better gas and oil mileage, then we would write that down. So what oil are we using?
This is the oil for my snowmobile. It's 2-cycle E-Tech oil and XPS, and this is the quads we run in that Arctic Cat.
Okay, so I'll be riding this one, and then Luke will be riding this one. So we'll just fill up the oil.
Gas is pretty much.
The gas is filled up. We checked it yesterday. So I guess we'll fill up the oil and then show you how full it is. Okay, so we just filled the oil fully up. Gas is full. Then on here, gas is full here. You can see on there.
The
gauge is messed up because it's just older. And then that's, as you can see, very full. So we're just gonna show you a time lapse of what we're doing.
Well, actually, we'll show you a cold start after it's not gonna be cold, but we'll just show you.
Like starting it, cause after putting oil in it might like struggle a little bit. It is in a heated section.
But the recoil is messed up on this one, so
yeah.
It takes a few more.
So we'll just show you a cold start. We're gonna open up the garage, and then we'll show you the time lapse.
Okay, so we just pulled them out of the heat garage. It's not really a cold start. We're just seeing. They've been sitting mine's been sitting since
Yesterday,
I guess. So it should start first fall. I mean, it starts first fall when it's like -2 out, but.
So it's going to go through the warm-up cycle for a while. So, well, it goes through the warm-up cycle.
Move the helmets off. Just set them on the ground or something.
What are we going to start? What's your dad again? The 2002 Arctic Cat?
Yeah, this is a 2002 Arctic Cat 600 EFI ZR race sled. It's got adjustable suspension. The recoil is kind of messed up, but it should start in 2 or 3 pulls. There's 2. Oh, your GoPro just went black.
So, now we'll just let him warm up a little bit. Okay, so we just rode to where we're gonna turn around, go back, and then go the opposite direction. And so the oil, watch. The gas is almost at halfway. And then
we used a good bit of oil. It's down to here.
yeah, we used a little bit of oil. Then we have to start his up to check, because his has a computer in here.
We used not that much, just like down to here, and I filled it all the way up to here, so
Not
like,
too much.
like barely any.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can start it up in 2 minutes. Just press the start button, and it should. Didn't even use a single bar of gas. And we've gone, we've gone 6.4 miles because I didn't reset it at. We've gone 2 extra miles, so yeah.
Sweet.
So,
But we are gonna let them cool off for a little bit.
yeah,
So
we're just gonna sit here and watch some GoPro footage and see how good it actually
yeah,
is.
actually I got pretty darn good footage. So we're here at the Snowmobile Club. We found this like Scooby-Doo van. And then this is the map. And then you can see four-wheeler trail. Not many trails yet. But then these are all snowmobile trails. We're right there. So we'll probably keep riding for now.
Oh, also here's the new.
Okay, so we're back. We finished it up. Hold on, there's stuff on the camera. There we go. So I started with the full tank of gas, and it's at half right now,
And this is over
as you
the
can
course of 30
kind of
miles.
see. Yeah, this is over the course of 30 miles.
And then the oil. Well, we filled it up.
Yeah, we filled it up.
So over the course of 30 miles, you used like about half of.
Yeah, about half.
That's that we filled it up before. It's complicated what we did. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But over the course of 30 miles, I used 1 bar of gas, and I didn't even use the 4th of my oil tank.
How many snowmobilers did we see? 10?
10, yeah, probably 10.
We saw
Not too many.
1 Yamaha, 2 Polaris, and a Skidoo first.
Then we saw 2 Arctic.
Then we saw, 2 Arcats. They were all new, all of them. And then there's me with your dad's snowmobile, because mine's getting fixed. Then there's you, your hot rod over here. What was yours at? What is your oil at? What was your gas at? You used 2 bars.
I think 1 or 2, yeah.
Let's see.
I used 1. It goes back up.
Yeah,
So
that's what
about
my
1.
Can-Am does.
About 1.
Okay, about 1.
And my oil, I used about not even a 4th. So. Like,
Not even a 4th. Oh my gosh. Now we know who won. So now we need to like do some more research on why this one used more oil and gas and why this one didn't. I think it's because it's older.
And the E-Techs don't use that much gas.
And the, what is it called? The fuel injection has changed.
And oil injection.
And oil injection. Yeah, because it's all upgraded, but I guess this might wrap up that stuff, but we'll probably research. But we'll see you on the next one.